Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make a tray. So let's begin. First select the top plane, change our view orientation and click on the sketch button. Now let's use this square tool and make a square or a rectangle. It's up to your liking. In my case it will be 50 by 100 millimeters. Here we go. Click OK. Now click on the sketch and click on the extrude button and pick the height of your liking. In my case it will be 20 millimeters. Click OK. Now we have our tray, but we still need to use the shell tool to make it hollow. Here we go and click OK. Now we have our tray but with sharp edges, so we can go back and use this tool to smooth them out with a radius of 5 millimeters on all sides. It's beauty of Onshape that will redo everything automatically down the line. And here we go, we had created the tray. Thank you and have a great day.